So hi everyone, this is Ashita and I am the Managing Director and Fashion Designer at Sahna Design Studios. We have planned a series of measurement episodes. So in this we will guide you how to take measurement of a particular dress. So today we are planning to show you how to take the measurements of a blouse. First, back shoulder length. So starting from one side of the shoulder edge to the other edge. This is how we take the measurement. In the middle of the shoulder, you have to place the starting point and take until which length you want. Either it's 17, 16, 15, 14 as per your convenience. Back neck deep. You can have it at 10, 8 and if it's a boat neck, it might be 5.5 and if it's a high neck, it might be 4, 3.5 depending on your choice. For the armhole measurement, you have to take it under the arm and around the arm and place it like this. And if you see for this, the measurement is generally it is 16.5 and if I put my finger, it is 17. So by this way you will get the perfect, like if you won't get it very tight and you will get it with exact relaxation mode. Now you have to take the chest measurement. Wrap it around your chest, like from under the arms. It has to come from under the arms. And here also you put one finger for the accurate measurement. It is 39, but if you put a finger and take it, it will be around 39.5. Right? In this method, if you take the finger and measurement, it will be in a relaxation fit or else you will get it very tight. Now this is the measurement of a middle chest or bust, whatever you call. So it should be around the bust from back side. For this measurement also you need to hold a finger for the relaxation fit. Now we have to take the measurement of waist, then you hold it around the waist and put it here. So if I don't put my finger, you can see the measurement difference, and if I put a finger, it's ½ inch extra. In this way you will get a relaxation fit for your blouse. Now the measurement of front neck deep. See, you have to place it in the middle of the shoulder strip as I said before, and in a cross position hold it wherever you like. See, 9.5, 8, 7, and if it's a boat neck, let's go to 5.5, or if it's a high neck, 4.5, and if it's a collar neck, you need to take a different measurement. Let's move on to the collar measurement. If you need a collar for your blouse, then this measurement will be appropriate. Just put one finger and wrap this tape around your neck and hold. Here it's 15.5. If you don't hold, it's 15. So this way, if you put a finger for any measurement, it will give you a relaxation fit. From starting of end of your shoulder, start point should be there, and from there, whichever length you like. If it's a 3/4 sleeve, full sleeve, whatever it is. But if you want an elbow sleeve, I will show you another method to take the measurement. In this way, your sleeve length will be above the joint or below the joint or at the joint. You will have an appropriate idea of what you like. And for the sleeve loose measurement, for example, if you want the measurement to be at this 18 as my sleeve here, and for the sleeve loose, from whichever length you want, measure it, and at the end of the sleeve you have to wrap the tape around and then measure. So for me it is 8 with one finger for the relaxed fit. So this is how we take the measurement of a basic blouse at Sahna. This is how we follow the guideline, and this will help you to take the basic measurement of a blouse.